Okay, so today I'm going to be taking my braids out. This video is similar to my last one, except this time it is a braid out. Please pray for me, okay? So the last time I did a twist out, a few of my twists were still a little bit wet. And, you know, I kind of feel like the same thing is going on here. I even blow dried it and it's still wet. I'm gonna put in a little clip right now and explain what I used and show you the process a little bit. Okay, so for my braid out, I'm using the Do's Big Papa gel and also a little bit of the gummy gel, the red one, just to like coat over the braids. So my hair is already washed and conditioned and detangled. For the sections, I wasn't really picky with how I sectioned my hair. I kind of just, you know, put it into smaller sections. And then each section, I would spray it with water, detangle my hair again, just so it's nice and smooth. And then also go in with a rat tail comb just to make sure, for sure, it is smooth down and there are no tangles. I would put the product in each section and then smooth it down and start braiding. So this didn't take that long, and okay, well, it didn't take long to do, okay, but it took very long to dry. So, you know, I'll have to figure something out with that. Okay, so that's all I did, and we will just continue on with the video. I cannot risk it being wet today. So just in case, I'm going to blow dry it just a little bit. But I think it looks pretty good. I cannot stand when I do a hairstyle and my hair is still wet. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start taking them out before I run out of time. Okay, I don't know what is gonna happen because my hair is so wet right now. And the last time I felt it, I thought it was dry, but I guess it was the outside of my hair. I don't know. But like, it looks nice so far. I'm gonna need to figure this out. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue taking them all out, blast the blow dryer, try my best to save this, and then get going because what? So I'm almost done taking these out and the curls are actually really nice. I didn't put any perm rods or anything at the ends to curl them just because I couldn't find them. I just twisted them, which is fine. They don't look that bad at the ends. I think it looks cute so far. Okay, what is happening? I'm gonna blow dry quickly just before I do anything crazy. I'm hoping it's better. This actually could have been a good thing because I got to stretch my hair a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start separating. Okay. I literally need to be so careful right now. I'm gonna do this quickly and then I'm gonna go over it again with the blow dryer. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go finish a little bit more and then we'll see what happens here. Okay, so I am not gonna mess around anymore. I'm trying to be careful with the back, but I think it's cute. I don't know what's going on with the lighting. Okay, so I have been filming in the wrong setting the whole time. I'm done separating and I think it turned out really good. I'm just gonna spray the side and then put some gel and just tuck down the side. I'm pretty much done. I think it turned out very well. It's nice and defined. The back I didn't really mess around with the back that much. Please ignore all of the issues that I came across in this video. I'm gonna fix my camera settings and the lighting and just, you know, keep it consistent. I'm still learning, okay? I'm still learning. So I think this turned out well. Please let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video.